Greetings, fellow adventurers. Today, we extend an invitation to embark on a virtual odyssey through the captivating allure of Jamaica, a tropical jewel nestled in the heart of the Caribbean. Let's delve into the essence of this enchanting paradise, where each moment is a celebration of sun-soaked landscapes, rhythmic beats, and warm hospitality. Together, we'll unravel the secrets that make Jamaica a destination like no other. Join us on this journey as we navigate the intricacies of its climate, immersing ourselves in the vibrant tapestry of its festivals, and ultimately, guiding you to discover the perfect moment to embark on your own Jamaican adventure. Now, as we immerse ourselves in the essence of Jamaica, let's further unravel the tapestry of its climate, a dynamic force that shapes the very soul of this tropical paradise. Picture the island as a living, breathing entity, basking in the consistent embrace of warmth and humidity throughout the year, creating an inviting haven for travelers seeking respite from the ordinary. Yet, within this perpetual embrace, Jamaica engages in a rhythmic dance between two main seasons, each leaving its distinct imprint on the landscape and the canvas of outdoor experiences. The wet season, a gentle caress of occasional rains, gracefully unfolds from May to November. During this time, nature awakens, painting the surroundings in lush greens and vibrant blooms, a spectacle that captivates the senses and adds a refreshing touch to the island's allure. Conversely, the dry season, a sun-kissed embrace that graces Jamaica from December to April, transforms the scenery into a haven of golden hues. Crisp blue skies stretch above, and the air carries the sweet scent of tropical blossoms, creating an idyllic backdrop for unforgettable adventures. Moving forward, our exploration extends to the peak tourist seasons, where the magic of Jamaica unfolds in splendid ways. Picture yourself on the shores of this paradise during the winter escape, from December to February. Imagine the soft touch of warm sands beneath your feet as you gaze upon the horizon, the allure of escaping winter's chill drawing visitors from around the globe. It's a season of serenity and celebration, where festive events dot the landscape, creating an atmosphere of joy that's infectious and heartwarming. Now, let's fast forward to the vibrant summer fun, a spectacle that graces Jamaica from June to August. During these months, the island transforms into a kaleidoscope of colors and energy. Picture lively festivals where the rhythm of reggae and the beats of Caribbean music fill the air, creating an ambience that resonates with the lively spirit of the locals. The weather, at its finest during this period, invites you to immerse yourself in the perfect beach experience, warm turquoise waters lapping at the shore, and the sun casting a golden glow over everything in its path. In this vibrant season, Jamaica truly comes alive, inviting you to partake in the cultural tapestry that defines the Caribbean way of life. It's a time when every corner of the island pulsates with the rhythm of life, and every experience becomes a vivid stroke on the canvas of your Jamaican journey. Now, as we shift our focus to the quieter side, embracing the off-peak seasons from September to November reveals a different facet of Jamaica's allure. While rainfall might be slightly more frequent during this period, it becomes a harmonious dance with the landscape, breathing life into the vibrant greenery that blankets the island. What awaits you is not just a trip, but a serene immersion into the essence of Jamaica. During these months, the island sheds its bustling tourist crowds, providing an exclusive invitation to savor the beauty of Jamaica in tranquility. The air is filled with a sense of calm, allowing you to connect with the soulful rhythm of the Caribbean without the distractions of large gatherings. This is the time when you can truly appreciate the local culture, engage with the warm-hearted locals, and explore the hidden gems of Jamaica at your own pace. Moreover, the off-peak seasons bring with them a delightful perk: lower prices. Accommodations, activities, and even dining experiences become more budget-friendly, offering you the opportunity to indulge in the luxury of the island without breaking the bank. It's a time when you can feel the heartbeat of Jamaica in a more personal and economical way, creating memories that resonate with authenticity and a genuine sense of place. As we seamlessly transition into the vibrant tapestry of special events and festivals, July emerges, as a highlight on Jamaica's cultural calendar with the renowned Reggae Sumfest. During this musical extravaganza, the island transforms into a pulsating haven of rhythm and melody. Iconic artists take the stage, creating an electrifying atmosphere that echoes with the soul of Jamaica. It's not just a festival, it's a celebration of the island's rich musical heritage, inviting visitors to join in the collective heartbeat of a nation. Fast forward to April, and get ready to be mesmerized by the dazzling spectacle of Jamaica Carnival. The streets come alive with a riot of colors, an explosion of energy, and an infectious joy that defines the very spirit of the Caribbean. This carnival isn't just an event, it's a manifestation of the vibrant and diverse cultural influences that shape Jamaica. From lively parades to intricately designed costumes, every element of the carnival reflects the island's identity, inviting you to be a part of a celebration that transcends mere entertainment. It's a cultural immersion that will leave an indelible mark on your Jamaican adventure. As we venture through the diverse landscapes of Jamaica, you'll discover a myriad of enchanting possibilities awaiting your exploration. Negril, bathed in laid-back charm, invites you to unwind on its pristine beaches and witness breathtaking sunsets that paint the sky in hues of warmth. It's a haven for those seeking serenity and the simple pleasures of life. Moving along our journey, Ocho Rios emerges as a paradise for nature enthusiasts. This region unfolds like a lush tapestry, adorned with cascading waterfalls and verdant landscapes that beckon to be explored. Whether you're hiking through the lush rainforests or rejuvenating beside crystal-clear rivers, Ocho Rios promises an immersive experience for lovers of the great outdoors. Then, we arrive at Montego Bay, a vibrant hub pulsating with energy and excitement. From bustling markets to lively entertainment, Montego Bay captivates with its dynamic atmosphere. The city's rich cultural tapestry, vibrant nightlife, and warm hospitality create an intoxicating blend, making it an ideal destination for those seeking a lively and spirited Jamaican experience. With these diverse regions offering their unique charm, the question arises, which one resonates with your wanderlust? Negril's tranquility, Ocho Rios' natural wonders, or Montego Bay's energetic vibrancy, each possesses a distinct allure, catering to different tastes and travel preferences. Armed with a deeper understanding of Jamaica's climate, the vibrancy of its festivals, and the distinct characteristics of each region, the journey now transitions into the realm of practicality. As you plan your adventure, budgeting becomes a crucial consideration. Choose accommodations that align with your style, whether it be a serene beachfront resort, a cozy guesthouse nestled in the hills, or a vibrant city hotel. And let's not forget the culinary delights that define Jamaican cuisine. Indulge in local delicacies, from jerk chicken to fresh seafood, allowing your taste buds to savor the flavors of the island. Immersing yourself in the local culinary scene is not just a gastronomic adventure, but a cultural one, providing insights into the heart and soul of Jamaica. Last but certainly not least, prioritize your health and safety. With the right preparations, your Jamaican adventure transforms into a worry-free escapade. Stay informed about any necessary vaccinations, understand local customs, and ensure you have access to medical facilities if needed. By addressing these practical aspects, you pave the way for a seamless, enjoyable, and memorable exploration of Jamaica's wonders. In conclusion, armed with a deep understanding of Jamaica's diverse climate patterns, a taste of the vibrant and electrifying festivals that paint the island in a spectrum of colors, and practical tips to navigate your journey seamlessly, you are now well prepared to embark on your Jamaican adventure. So, gather your essentials, let the gentle caress of the warm Jamaican breeze beckon you, and brace yourself for an enchanting and unforgettable Caribbean escape that promises to be a tapestry of cultural richness, natural wonders, and moments that will linger in your heart long after you've left the shores of this tropical paradise. Now, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed some of the information that I was able to share with you today. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it informative, please feel free to let me know down in the comments section. Also, Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more of such travel-related videos. If you are interested in even more travel content, then feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, where you can find an abundance of such content. You can even visit our website at travelupic.com to get some cool travel gear for your next travel venture. The links will be in the description below. It will be greatly appreciated. May your journey be filled with the warmth of the sun, the rhythm of reggae, and the genuine hospitality that defines the spirit of Jamaica. Get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime.